Yeah, so this is a last minute recording. It's a little recipe I was wanting to try out. Showing how I like to debone my own thighs. Just take my shears and just cut around the bone till all the meat is there. Try not to get too much meat. Trim them up, make them look real pretty. Trim off that little excess fat. Trim off that little nodule, the little joint that the bone was in. Then I took them and cut them in half. I'm gonna go ahead and season these bad boys up with some garlic salt, that California style garlic salt. Then I took some white pepper, sprinkled it on just like that, toss them around, put them in the bag, take all the air out, put them to sleep, just like that. Then I got these chicken skins, gave them the same seasoning treatment. Then I got this cereal right here. You all know which kind it is. I'm not gonna get into detail on that. I don't want no copyright issues. So as I'm getting my supplies together, I just want to say one thing. Do this before you start recording. Like I said, this is a last minute record. I wanted to check the recipe out first before I put it on camera. But I was like, what the hell? Let's go ahead and knock this out. So I got that cereal. I went ahead and broke it up with my hand. Next time I think I'm gonna put it through the food processor. Now for my base coat for these chicken skins, I'm gonna use this House Audrey chicken fry. Stuff is good. Just finishing off the bag, cleaning out the little pantry and refrigerator. I'm gonna roll them around just like that. Get a nice even cold shake off that excess. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dab them up with a little canola oil. I'm not gonna dip them in no egg because I'm not into eating chicken with eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in that cereal coating. We're gonna coat them up just like that. I went ahead and knocked out the rest of them. As you can see, I'm drizzling with a little bit more of that canola oil to help with the crispiness. After about 30 minutes or so, went ahead and threw them in the oven. That's what they came out like. I did the other ones just regular seasoning without the cereal. Now let's get on to the thigh meat. Go ahead and toss these bad boys up in some all-purpose flour. Went ahead, shook them up, take them out, shake off that excess, let them sweat a little bit. Got that wire rack cracking with that foil underneath to help with cleanup. Now I'm gonna dab these bad boys with some oil. Like I said, I'm not into eating chicken with eggs. I'm not gonna wait for the egg to come out the chicken just to put it back in there. So after I dabbed them with that oil, went ahead and coat them with that cereal mixture. Now I'm gonna knock the rest of these out so you can see what they look like. But I had to show one since I decided to record at the last minute. And when I got all these bad boys done, I'm gonna go ahead and dab them with a little bit more of that oil to help with that crispiness. Threw them in the oven, you know what I mean? Decided to get a sauce together. Got a couple tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of pickled garlic, some brown sugar, some hot honey, an ingredient that I don't eat, some straight up ketchup. But you know, it's good to cook with. I got the juice of a half a lime, stirred that up, threw 2 dried chili Dayar balls in there. I hope I said that right. About a good 2 tablespoons of water, stirred that up, let it reduce. Now that chicken is done. Bad boy came out real good. First time trying it. You never know what you come up with when you just give it a try. So now, it's time to get funky with it. I went ahead and took some of these super biscuits, is what I like to call them. My wife made these actual baked donuts. And I was like, man, I'm about to make me a sandwich with these bad boys. So as you can see, I took a piece of that skin, some of that sauce, put a piece of chicken on it, took a bite of it just like that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to this video, and hit that notification bell.